Good evening and welcome to News 10 on My Fox 10. There is now a tornado warning for parts of Illinois. Reports so far tonight across the Wabash Valley are of power lines and cable lines down because of heavy wind gusts. Storm Team 10 has been on alert all day for us, closely watching these storms. Right now, meteorologist Everett Lau is tracking the system and what we can expect. Everett?
Well, we have some new information. A tornado warning was just issued for Crawford County in Illinois. We've had a tornado warning for portions of Richland and Jasper counties, but this has now been extended into Crawford County. So we're going to zoom in and get the latest information here. So the first one was for Jasper and Richland. That's until 9:15. And then they've just issued a new tornado warning for most of Crawford County until 9:30 Central Time. Now they are tracking some really strong radar indicated rotation, so a tornado may be on the ground. There's not any confirmed reports of that. There are no spotters. Obviously it's nighttime, it's hard to see that, but you need to treat this like there is a tornado because one could develop at any time. This is moving very quickly off to the east at about 60 miles per hour. So this is going to be headed towards Oblong. It's going to be headed towards Robinson after a while. So again, this is what we're most concerned with at this time. You can zoom in there closer. Here's some of the times of arrival as it continues to move off to the east. Willow Hill around 8:58, so it's already been through there. Oblong 9:04, Robinson around 9:13 if it maintains its current track. So again, this is the main concern of our area right now is this line of thunderstorms as it works through. But then you notice farther off to the west, we still have the main line that continues to track off to the east. It's moving at about 35 miles per hour. So we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Edgar, Clark, Coles, Cumberland, Jasper, Effingham, and Clay counties. This is in effect until 9:30 Central Time. So I'm going to step off the screen here really quickly here. Storm Team 10 meteorologist Brady Harp and Aaron Peters are both in the Weather Center with me as we continue to follow this latest information. And Brady's been in contact with the National Weather Service through our chat room. Is there anything you're seeing that we haven't touched on yet?
Well, there's no new information, but like you said, this is the area of most concern. This red box that you saw on the storm tracker, that's a tornado warning. This is radar indicated. Like you said, there's no witnesses seeing this. But this is a particularly dangerous situation because like you said, it's nighttime. There's a lot of heavy rain. It can be tough to see approaching hazards like a tornado if it is on the ground approaching it. And it's moving so fast. It's between Newton and Robinson. You're right in the path of this, and you need to get to shelter now if you have not already done that. I know your first instinct, I was saying this earlier, is to go to the window and try to see this, and you need to resist that. You need to stay away from windows. You need to get to the innermost room of your house. If you have a basement, now's the time to get to the basement. Again, a tornado warning has been issued for your area if you're in the path of this. And you need to stay, put as many walls between you and the outdoors as you possibly can, because we're seeing, like you said, near 70-mile-an-hour winds associated with this storm. That's very dangerous. Hail is a possibility here, heavy rain. You have the velocity pulled up. That's
yeah, if we can pull up the storm tracker again.
Yeah, that's a rule of thumb with this is you don't want to see the two colors mixed together like they're doing in this storm. That means that the storm is spinning in a way that's just very dangerous, in a way that, again, a tornado might be produced. And Robinson, you're right in the path of this. You can see how this is moving to the northeast there, and it's crossing over from Jasper County into Crawford County. Oblong, it's right over you right now. You need to be in shelter already, but if you haven't, you need to get to your safe place at this moment. The lightning tracker's on. You can see it's producing a large amount of lightning. Everett, what are you seeing? What do you think about this?
Yeah, I think the main takeaway is going to be that lightning, which could indicate some of the stronger thunderstorms. If you get a lot of lightning, that's typically what that indicates. I'm going to put another track. Again, this is moving off to the east at about 60 miles per hour, so it's moving very quickly. So there are some new times of arrival. Robinson around 9:12, Palestine 9:19, and eventually over towards Sullivan, Indiana by 10:30 Eastern Time. But again, right now there are no warnings for Sullivan County, Indiana. So right now we're not getting any new information. Again, they've just been tracking that rotation. We still have that line of storms working through our Illinois communities right now, crossing Interstate 57, and a tornado watch continues for the entire My Fox 10 viewing area until 3 o'clock this morning. Though once this main line works through, that will bring our threat for severe weather to an end. So Storm Team 10, of course, we're here. We're going to keep an eye on things, but for right now we're going to send it back over to Patrice for some of the news for the day. We'll keep close tabs on this and let you know if anything else develops.